Hey guys, it's Maddie Green. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go on a vlog to get my new Tesla. Currently 11 o'clock. We're picking up our Tesla at what time?
3 p.m.
So we're tiring out the dogs at the dog park with our lovely neighbor dog, Bentley. Oh, hi. Hello. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
On our way. First stop.
Capital One Cafe.
Realized I have all of my packages for my small business in the back, so we gotta stop at USPS, UPS, and FedEx first. Yay, we found upfront parking, so now we are walking to Capital One. T-minus 30 minutes until the Tesla pickup. Spring is here, coffee is here, life is good. So Corwin, what are you most excited about with the new car?
Ooh, I don't know. I'm excited to see how the dogs like it.
Me too. Straight. Oh no. Oh my
Got
goodness.
that new car smell. It's amazing. This is great.
So first things first, look at that. I'm gonna keep that forever. First things first, we're gonna watch the tutorial, do an inspection, make sure there's nothing wrong with the car.
Right.
These are like the temporary keys, but now our phone is the key. I'm gonna first like adjust my seat. Ooh, yeah, that's better. But oh my goodness, can you take a video of me in here?
Bam.
Hello. My name's Green, and you're watching Maddie Green TV. Feel some of Corbin's coffee because he stepped away for a moment. But I think I'm gonna watch some of the welcome videos, and then we're gonna practice driving this thing around here because we've only test drove one once before. This looks good. I could get used to this. This is so weird. There's no speed and everything. Everything is here. We gotta find the welcome video again. Okay, so adjust everything to how I like it. Well, I can't even reach the pedals. Oh, we should move it up just a tad. Let's see. And then I feel like I'm really high up. I'm gonna come down a little bit. That feels pretty good. Okay, now I gotta adjust the mirrors. How do I adjust the mirrors? Mirrors. Okay, we'll use this. Go for it.
Key. You need to use one of your backup key cards. So let's cover them first.
Opening up the, what's it called?
Key card.
The key card.
The Tesla key. Ooh.
Pretty. I really feel like I'm living that hotel lifestyle. Fun fact, y'all, when I went to college, I wanted to open my own resort and be in the hospitality business. Well, this is good enough, right? Hotel keys, car keys, right?
And shift to drive or reverse. While you'll rarely use the backup key card, you do need it to set up.
Look at the sunroof.
You can just see everything. That's awesome.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna try to drive this thing somewhere else so we can go play around with settings because we only have 15 minutes here. And Corbin just walked around the car. Did you see anything wrong with the car? Scratches or
No,
anything?
it's perfect. But you know what's really cool? Our
What's really cool?
neighbor actually works at the Austin Tesla factory, and
Yeah.
his job is at the end of the assembly line. He looks for problems, and then he sends the cars back
So we
to
could
get
ask him to
fixed.
look at it
So
too.
we could have him walk around the car, and he's looked at millions of Teslas, so he knows exactly what to look for. Backing up for the first time.
I feel like I don't even need to look anywhere. I feel like it's gonna stop the car if I hit something.
Yeah, it takes.
Right?
Well, there's the one pedal.
Yeah, I'm off the gas. I don't even have to press the brake. Okay,
Yeah.
drive. I'm driving.
It's weird getting used to this, and then it's also the one pedal driving. So you only press on the gas or
I gotta
off
move
the
this
gas?
steering wheel. It's like way too low, but I guess we'll do that after. Okay, here we go. Whee! Okay. So this is my first time driving the Tesla, besides a test drive, and I'm really nervous. I feel like this is like a new toy that I'm gonna break. How do I turn off the turn signal?
It turns off on its
Oh,
own.
it didn't? Okay.
Oh.
And so this hotel right here, when we visited Austin for the first time, oh, I don't even have to press brake. In April, we actually, oh, sorry.
This one here, it's a Fairfield Inn or something?
Yes, we stayed at this hotel because I was like, well, we're going to be in this area a lot. And it turns out it's full circle. We're back here.
Yeah, we stayed at the hotel the first time we ever came to Austin.
This is so weird because I keep looking down here for the speed and stuff, but it's right here.
Yeah, it's right there.
And one thing that's really interesting while I'm driving this is, okay, I'm going to step off the gas a little and we like stop.
Oh, yeah.
You don't even have to use a brake. That's going to get some getting used to. We're still stopped.
But there is no gas because it's electric.
Oh, right. What is it called? Accelerate?
Yeah, the accelerator. Step on the accelerator. I don't know. Yeah. Whoa.
That's fun. Okay.
Yeah.
We're back at the Tesla dealership. I'm going to park the car.
Oh, it's a button.
How bougie is that? And to put on the parking brake, I watched a video. You hold it down 3 seconds. And
Oh.
the parking brake is on. And now we're going to mess around with the settings and have some fun with that. And then we're going to try to drive home. I am now in the passenger seat. We're going to mess around with some settings.
How do you set the other? How do you put
You
the
gotta
other
change your driver profile.
Yeah,
So click this.
mirrors?
Yeah, that's what I did. And then you
Okay.
can mess around with it. So much space.
What?
Give me the red ones and the blue ones.
Watermelon? There you go.
Thank you. I like the blue ones.
Meet you at home.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
We have made it to the apartment complex. Super cool. There are chargers on site, so that is a definite plus. Let's see how Corwin's drive went here. How was the drive?
Oh, it was great. It was a lot of fun.
What were some things? Details?
Well, I love the giant map. I mean, just look at this thing. It's huge. And then, I mean, I don't know. I love it. I love, every time I'm going downhill, I could see like a green bar showing I'm recharging.
Oh, I love that.
While I go downhill every time.
I'm trying to film a vlog, but these cutie dogs are in it. That's okay.
So look, I tried to lift this and stuff,
Yeah.
but look, you just push it. Or no, you lift this.
And then,
And then you can
ooh,
push
that's
it.
so much nice.
Yeah.
Ooh,
And then you
ooh.
can, then it can just store back
Ooh,
here.
that's
Oh,
nice.
Look, and then there's these buttons.
The seats just go back.
Whoa.
That's nice. I can't wait to go camping. How much trunk space does a Model Y have? Well, let me show you. I can do snow angels in here. This is really cool.
Oh.
That'll be great for you too.
It's Maddie.
It's right there.
It's Maddie Green. Boop.
Cute. Let's watch one of my videos.
Videos. Which one?
Hey guys, it's Maddie Green. Welcome back to my channel. It's romance mode. It just started playing this song.
I don't know about that.
Do you feel romanced?
For you?
We're gonna try to charge it for the first time. Our apartment allows you to charge for free. How cool is that? Cheers.
Little Tesla adapter. And then we got this hefty charger. And then I guess you just plug it in. It's blue,
Okay.
not charging.
It says ready to charge. It's charging. Like it's
Charging.
charging.
What does it say?
3 hours and 30 minutes remaining till full. So there's no music playing in the car right now, but watch this. Starts playing my song I had on. So the car is currently charging. I'm gonna drive it for the first real time, and we're gonna go to the pet store. Next on the vlog, we need some dog food, And we also want to look at like seat covers for the Tesla. So we are at Tesla. And I drove all the way here and I honestly felt fine and it was really fun. Getting our dog some new collars. Well, that's it, everybody. We are in for the night. That was my first day with my new Model Y. Mm-hmm.
Is it charging?
Mm-hmm. Move. I didn't realize I was gonna do that.